Seeing Things Whole goes back a long time ago at Reell. Even when I first started at the company 20 years ago, Seeing Things Whole model is primarily used at a high level of the organization. Our board, as an example, is organized around those three, I call them the three legs of the stool. We always make sure that we have board members that are balanced, right? So we have a balanced view of the business. The threefold model really helps you separate your decisions a little bit more, be more thoughtful and intentional about thinking through the pros and the cons of each decision. And I love that. I love that, that purposeful look. And I think that's a time to pause and a time to reflect and really seeking inspirational wisdom, as Reell would say, to say what is best for the organization right now and what is best for our customers, what is best for our coworkers, what is best for the overall financial needs of the business. And we grow together and in terms of our own thinking and trying to strive for what's right for the business overall. As I think about the roundtables that we were part of, having a group of fellow leaders and asking hard questions and getting the right priorities in place and challenging each other on our philosophical beliefs and how we can do this business holistically well and impact the world around us in a unique way other than just the bottom line profits, and it just makes you think broader. If you think about the pie of identity, stewardship, and purpose, the great place to be is in the center because you're balanced and you're paying attention to it all. But if you're solely focused in one area, like identity, you can become too inwardly focused as an organization, and that's what motivates me to grow the business. So if we can grow, the more we can do to impact our coworkers in terms of their own growth and development, our community, and I think the threefold model helps. It fits with who Reell is and how we want to impact all stakeholders.